this train. Yes, people, I want to name the no movement flag. You know me, I say, me I get a whole heap of complaint out of my island, Jamaica. The people them say the government them a deal with them bad. Ladies and gentlemen, you know it's Rastafari soldier, and I got a quick synopsis of a video. The frustration is rising worldwide, including Jamaica, and we're going to talk about the tyrannical rule that is ruling the people in their country. You know I'm Rastafari soldier. Greetings, greetings, and salutations. Yeah, to all nations, the one here come hot for my Jamaicans. You know I'm Rastafari soldier of the Roots TV, and if you want to hear the truth, yeah man, pana one ya me red. I think I get dread all over the world, people. Me I tell you, say the people them a protest and still not get no regress. It appears that freedom is not on the politicians' them mind to be digested in this time. Here we have a young lady straight out of Jamaica at this time is so frustrated. She take it to TikTok. Watch that. It's the new social media thing we mash up the place. But me want to know if you listen and we are going to talk.
Right now, me blood clot upsetting Andrew Holness. Can lock me up because me never know say it's not a free country and freedom of speech. Bumbo clot, you sit down in your office every month and I collect your blood clot pay. Why you never say 1 month you don't want to pay? And for relax the nation and give poor people your pay. Why you never say that? Poor people still have them bills and them kids to take care of. Poor people have them plans like call me now. We have my plans to go about my business tomorrow. But no movement. Where the fuck you take this thing for? You should have never called election. All like me alone could have voted out your blood clot. You come out the office long blood clot time. I'm upset with you. Yes, me a labor right. And if I'm me alone, you'd have never blood clot win. Too much of your blood clot, no man. You're upset me, man. Bumbo clot, but no movement. No movement, your pussy clot. When you're not locked down in your
worldwide frustration. Worldwide frustration, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to big up that Empress for speaking her mind. Yeah, rather live like a man or a woman upstanding than the dead like a dog, ladies and gentlemen. Those are the great words of Nat Turner. Yes, Mr. Andrew Holness has been receiving some backlash, ladies and gentlemen, even in the church. The church, they must say, how come the supermarket them loaded? And you only want me if you have 20 people in the congregation. Fire the church, and my one pan, Mr. Andrew Holness. What is really going on in the world at this point? Ladies and gentlemen, the free country of Jamaica, the free country of my mother's birthland, the land of wood and water. What is going on? A lot of people worldwide are protesting at this time. It's not just Jamaica, ladies and gentlemen. There are strict mandates put in place in Australia. Lockdowns, fines of over 5,500 US per people that are violated. And the ones that are walking out in the street protesting, asking for their God-given freedom are being monetized and monitored by the camera system. When you see the news report and them out there cover, all of those information are being uploaded. If you protest about it on YouTube, Facebook, all of it is uploaded. So I man just want to give my big respect, yeah, to that young lady that's speaking out, because the women of the world need to protest also, the men and children, because this is about freedom worldwide, ladies and gentlemen. In the country of Great Britain, there have been mandates placed on the people there. In the country of the United States also, there are multiple mandates. They're even talking about bringing in a vaccine passport. And it appears that's the direction, bro, God is going. People, do you see what's going on? These people are so evil. But I and I man now worry about it. Me I tell me people that say if you get up, stand up and stand up for your right. You hear what this man you call himself? The bro God. That means that him a run a place. We don't have no rights no more in a God-given world. Listen, little boys and girls. This is what you get When you make a bad decision at the polls, make sure you turn out to the next election and remove this tyrannic dictator from our government. Listen what Mr. Farrakhan have to say to the people them of today. Alright?
Come on, brothers and sisters. You trust him. After all that he's done to destroy us, you trust him. And your trust is sickening because you love your enemy and you hate yourself and your friend. How could you allow him to stick a needle into you saying he's helping you?
You have to be careful of the people them you trust. You got to be careful of the things them that you lost. And right now, ladies and gentlemen, we're asking for freedom. We're asking for the number one thing that's given to us, freeness to move around, ladies and gentlemen. We know there's a pandemic going on, but life still goes on. This train carried no warmonger. This train, in the words of the great Burning Spear. I'm asking you, ladies and gentlemen, to stand up for your right, maintain your rights, because when you give up an inch or a few of your liberty for a little security, you'll never get them back. We are on a move to go on a worldwide social system. Social media, social justice, socialism, social scores. That is what's going on worldwide. It's a conspiracy amongst government to get us all on a digital platform through schooling, monitoring us on security cameras every day, everywhere we go. The digital security system on the phone. Ladies and gentlemen, and that them I do to we worldwide. Worldwide, it's a great reset. So me Empress, me give thanks for your strength and me understand your struggle of comprehension. Them a tell we in our face. See how them run the world. Them a tell we in our face. Every little boys and girls that look how much people out a protest, I beg to come out. Look how much people outside a protest, I beg, say them no want no mandate. And them have still met the people them do it. Them have pressure with. Them have starve we out people, because them know say we don't have nothing in our yard. We have to go to the store, go buy things. We have to go to the church, go worship. We have to go to the doctor, go get medical. We have to go pay taxes. And as the church members are complaining to the Jamaican government that how come the supermarkets are packed? How come when you go to the banks, there are lines? How come when you go to the warehouses and the wholesale them, there are lines? Money are run. How come the airport them not locked down, but on the one locked down? The regular normal citizens and the people them are ball worldwide. They're asking, when will this tyranny stop? When will this violation of human natural rights stop? What can the people do to liberate themselves from the tyrannic rule of today's government? Ladies and gentlemen, the whole world needs emancipation from this Babylonian system, from this colonial system. All they're doing, my people, is upgrading it. Like Joe Biden say, it's like Jim Crow 2.0 worldwide. And the people them that look like the poor people are in on it because they're given a pass. Then prop them up on them chair and put them in charge and give them the opportunity to go up on the privy council and for name brown God and for lock down the people them and for turn off the entertainment them. And they're enriched in power. Ungo Buju Banton, Ayak Tien, and few Rasta people may hear a blaze the fire. And as soon as them blaze the fire, ladies and gentlemen, they attack them on social media. Bro, God, and all the state head, the governments of all the countries are in on this great reset, ladies and gentlemen. What they are doing is they're changing over the world to a digital code, a digital biometrics, and tracking the people them and having this world surveillance system worldwide, ladies and gentlemen. And we not take no bribe. We are expose what's going on. That's why they're bringing in the faster internet system, the 5G, so they could drive driveless cars. They could track everyone worldwide, have a facial recognition and a DNA database that they share worldwide on everyone. China has already been reported to have collected over 8 million DNA from fetal DNA that they collect from women, ladies and gentlemen. And it is a shame big tech and the United States government and the Jamaican government and the worldwide government, the England, Australian, Canadian government are working together to manipulate the people, to hold them in tyranny. And it is not right, ladies and gentlemen. And like Farrakhan say, you trust them. You trust them. That's what we did. We listened at the beginning about 14-day quarantine. And now it has turned into 20 months. 2 years quarantine, lockdown, vaccine, mask mandate, restriction upon movement, ladies and gentlemen. Total tyranny. And we have given over our rights to them for no reason. For a virus that has less than a 10% death rate, ladies and gentlemen, it actually have a less than 10% death rate. It is a shame how far we have laid down our freedom, and now we are begging to get it back from the government, and they will not relinquish the power, that death grip that they have on society. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari, soldier of Rebuke TV. If you want to hear the truth, I'm burning a fire on the tyrannic government of Jamaica and the socialistic, communistic government of the world, because the United States, Australia, Alaska, all of them, Canada, China, England, they are all working together, because it's only the people that are the enemy of the state, ladies and gentlemen. Go ahead and share this one before them start shadow blocking it, because of that YouTube they have to do. For screen what the government want out. Facebook too, Facebook, Insta, FBI, Gram also. Screen what message the government want out. What narrative, and put it out there and make them the people go on top of the internet. So share it up for me and leave your comment. More life, more joy, more happiness. Yeah, be blessed.
Right now, me blood clot upsetting on Holness. Come lock me up, cause me never know say it's not a free country and freedom of speech. Bumbo clot, you sit down in your office every month and collect your blood clot pay. Why you never say 1 month you don't want to pay? And for relax the nation and give poor people your pay. Why you never say that? Poor people still have them bills and them kids to take care of. Poor people have them plans. They call me now. We have my plans to go about my business tomorrow, but no movement. What the fuck you think this thing? You take this thing for? You should have never called election. All like me alone could have voted out your blood clot. You come out the office long blood clot time. I'm upset with you. Yes, me a labor right. And if I'm me alone, you'd have never blood clot with too much of your blood clot. No, man. You're upset me, man. Bumbo clot, but no movement. No movement, your pussy clot. When you're not locked down in your court.
You know when I lock up people, I take people for fool. But you know, say Rastafari, rule. More life and more joy. Stand up, my people. Get up. Stand up. Stand up for your rights. Get up. Stand up. And don't give up the fight. Oh, yeah, man. Rebuke TV. Real Truth TV. I'm Rastafari soldier, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for sticking with me. And share it up for me. More life.